Thank you, Mr. Keane. I would like to, at this moment, interrupt you for a second. I would like to invite Mr. Mike Cook, who's here, to come and sit down with our chief guest. He's also a great friend of Jana Hunter Foundation. And as you know, he's been our sponsor from day one and has been sponsoring us and helping us a lot, along with all our other sponsors. So, warm welcome to you, sir.
මේ වේදිකාව මොහොතකට කමතක සිරිය ගෙන අපේ ඇත්තෝ අපේ රටේ ගමේ කරපු ඒ ජනගී ජන නැටුම් ජන සංස්කෘතියේ පුංචි පැතිකඩක් වේදිකාවට ගෙනෙන්නට සූදානම් වැඩි සිටින එසේනම් වේදිකාව විවෘත වෙයි ඒ අත්දැකීම ඔබට විඳ ගන්නට
සිංහලෙන් කතා කරන්නත් කැමති අද වගේ දවසක ඒ වුණත් මම පොඩ්ඩක් ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් කියන්න. Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, His Excellency our High Commissioner, the Venerable Clergy, the Deputy High Commissioner and the President and the committee members of the Jana Hunter Foundation. Now, the MCG Group has a very long association with the Jana Hunter Foundation. I think it runs over 6 years. Now, this might be one of the only organizations that I have supported right throughout, simply because I see that there is something happening within our community through this organization. Just looking around, looking at all the people here today, I think this is very, very clear. So we bring Sri Lankans together, we enjoy our culture, we meet our friends, and then we also share the good times that we had in Sri Lanka at a time like this, on a day like this. So this is why the MCG group likes to support an organization like this. So the only thing that I ask from you is, in an economic climate like this where businesses are finding it difficult to survive, the MCG group always helps community events. But we need your support. So if there is anything that we could do for you in sending money to Sri Lanka through Fast Cash or booking an air ticket to Sri Lanka through Holiday Air, please help us to help you. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much. And I hope a day like this would be what you are looking for in bringing a little bit of Sri Lanka close to you.